1 Skittles, 2 Skittles, 3 Skittles, 4 Skittles, 5 Skittles, 6 Skittles, 7 Skittles, 8 Skittles, 9 Skittles, 10 Skittles.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
I mean, how nice for him to get away from the kitchen. You lilybugs work so hard. What about you two? What would you do with a night off?
I'd probably play with mud.
I would roll balls of yarn for my knitting.
Here's a thought. Why don't you go and do just that? I could watch over these berries.
Nice try, Ellery.
I assume you know all about first aid for berries.
No.
What would you do if one of his prize berries became sick?
Sick?
What do you mean?
Thorn didn't mention how to treat berry sick indeed, or berry-tontitis extremis, or worst of all, double berryonia. No? Well, lucky I'm here. I know all about curing berry diseases. You might as well run along.
We're not leaving you in charge.
Why ever not? You've just proved you know nothing about looking after berries.
Maybe we don't, but we wouldn't eat Thorn's berries unless he said to. Could you say the same, Ellery?
If you meant to insult me, congratulations. I'll bid you farewell.
Goodbye, Ellery. Don't worry, Moss. These berries are perfectly healthy.
Thorn and Bucky are taking forever. It'll be dark soon and I'm so cold.
Firefly, will you and your friends come by later and give us some light? I think they need a song. Hey, berries, how do you do? Are you missing Thorn? I'm sure he's missing
Stop! You're singing to berries? No, no, no. That causes berry burst. The fruit completely explodes.
Explodes?
But not to worry. I'm still available to watch them. And if for some reason you don't trust me, we will build this, the latest in berry protecting. With a trap like this, not even I could get to those berries.
It does seem better than anything we've built to protect the berries. Ooh, and maybe we could go and get warm.
Let's do it. Excellent. You two pick up twigs and spider webs, and I'll build the cage up in that tree.
If Buck is sniffing for truffles, I've got bad news. They aren't grown yet. They're a few days late.
That is bad news. What am I going to tell Bucky? It's his first truffle hunt.
That's a problem. Wait, does he know what truffles look like?
He just knows how they smell. From this.
Whoa, that's strong! Hey, why don't you hide this jar near any old root underground and tell him it's a truffle?
That would be dishonest.
Suit yourself, but trust me, you could be here for days.
I have to cook the end of autumn feast tomorrow night. Plus, this cold might ruin my berries. I don't have time to be here for days.
I have built an excellent cage for the berry burglar trap.
I don't see a cage.
I put it up really high so it will come down really fast.
So, the berries are safe?
Couldn't be safer. Off you go, get warm, play with your mud and yarn.
That sounds good.
Like these elegant paws would ever build a cage. I'll just make sure they're gone. Then I'll go get the berries.
Bucky, I just remembered that some truffles have a leafy top.
Really, Chef Thorn? I thought truffles were underground.
Well, most are, but not all. Some have green stalks with green leaves either side.
You mean like this? Let me get sniffing. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Smells like truffles to me.
That's so nice of Ellery to stand guard over the berries for us.
Yeah, and kind of weird. He's usually trying to sneak into Thorn's kitchen or take out food.
Or trick us. Ellery! You didn't build a trap at all.
Oh, you do-gooder lilybuds. So close I could almost taste them.
We beat Ellery. Maybe we're good berry sitters after all.
Moss daffodil, frost alert! Look at this flower. It's already wilting from the cold, and it's gonna get much colder tonight.
Now we have frost to worry about. Oh, I wish I could just be home in bed under a warm blanket.
That's it. A blanket of moss to protect the berries.
Chef Thorn, this may smell like a truffle, but it looks an awful lot like a radish.
It's fine, Bucky. Look at that flower. We have to get back to the berries right now. Bring the radish, I mean bring the truffle.
Good evening, friends. I feel bad about what happened earlier, and, What's that? Where are the berries?
Oh, Ellery, you were so right about berry burst. I sang again, and they burst, just like you said.
I made up something true?
So, the berries were safe and warm under a moss blanket.
As safe and warm as berries can be. Thank you, you two. Good job.
Chef Thorn, I'm sorry to tell you this, but that thing is definitely not a truffle. I let you down.
Oh, no, Bucky, you didn't. I found out from BB that it's too early for truffles, and I knew this was a radish. I also knew you wouldn't give up until you found a real truffle, so I'm sorry.
Oh, that's okay. It was great practice for when we go back.
You're right. And next time, we'll go for the whole night.
Will you need berry sitters, Thorn?
No, the berries will be over. They won't need looking after.